Engrave Elven elegance into your surfaces in seconds. No retopology, no resculpting, just stamp and go. From leaf-kissed borders and moon crests to forest sigils, owl motifs, and phoenix-style carvings, this pack turns any flat mesh into something that looks like it belongs in an ancient woodland hall or on a master-crafted blade. Hey everyone, Luke here from 3D Tutor. Today we are launching our 3D Tutor Elven Ornamental, Decal and Stamp Pack, a collection of elegant mythology-leaning height stamps designed for Blender, Substance Painter and modern game engines. Every design comes with 3 synced maps: height map for sculpting displacement and carved depth, opacity for clean crisp masks and decals, and base color for instant engraved textures and inlay detail to overlay with any material. This is not just a bunch of flat silhouettes. Each ornament is built with layered height variations, so your stamps read like a proper carved detail. Deep cuts, mid-depth grooves, and softer planes that catch the light. You get that refined elven feel, glowing shapes, floral and forestry symbols, and elegant weaponry-styled ornaments. And all of it without spending hours carving everything from scratch. So, the things you can do with this pack. In Blender, you can use height maps as sculpting stamps for armor trims, pillars, doors, props, and hero weapons. Drive the displacement modifiers for non-destructive engraved panels and ornamental bands. And for low poly designs, you can also use this as with the opacity maps as decal stencils to keep the edges razor sharp. You can use this with the opacity masks to use as decal stencils to keep the edges low topology. In Substance Painter, you can load them as stencils or alphas for fast engraving passes on wood, stone, or metal trays. The height for crisp cuts, while keeping that clean, graceful elven finish. Blended base color maps for instant stylized inlays or subtle realistic ornamentation. The pack is tuned to work beautifully for both stylized and realistic workflows. Push the contrast for bold fantasy carvings, or keep it subtle for film style etched material and lightly engraved metal or stone. Either way, the depth information holds up at gameplay distance and in close-up beauty shots. If you want a rich elven ornamentation without losing days to manual sculpting, this pack is for you. Stamp faster, add real depth, and bring that Tolkien-esque elegance to your new environment or prop with the Elven Ornamental Decal and Stamp Pack.